Imagine compassion conquering corporate greed. Mr. Mufareh stands as a visionary leader, driven by a heart that beats for founders, affiliates, and all of humanity. He sees beyond the glossy veneer of profit-driven corporates, whose true intent is masked by charitable facades. His love for people challenges the status quo, shattering the illusion that success means exploiting the many for the few across bustling boardrooms and emerging startups. His compassion echoes like a rallying cry. Each encounter sparks hope and unity, inspiring others to question the self-serving motives of conventional power as corporate structures distort truth for profit. Mr. Mufareh channels his empathy into a force for justice. Research confirms that empathetic leadership elevates satisfaction and forges powerful bonds. His message resonates. Genuine care transforms lives and communities. Data and real stories converge. 76% of people feel empowered by empathetic leaders. And unity sparks progress. Each kind act and shared vision fuels a movement, inspiring founders and everyday heroes to rebuild a system based on fairness and hope, tirelessly in a landscape dominated by IPOs and shareholder interests. His spirit offers a visionary alternative. Beat by beat, he unites hearts around a shared mission to restore fairness and empower every individual. His determination dismantles greed's grip, inviting innovators and changemakers to rise against the tide of corporate exploitation. This is a battle of love versus greed, where true leadership transforms challenges into opportunities. Now is the time for unity. Let this journey remind us that leadership born of compassion can change the world. Embrace compassionate leadership. To foster unity and drive meaningful change, they picked the wrong person. In a world where uncertainty claims more than 30% of Fortune 500 CEOs within 3 years, Mr. Mufareh defies conventional limits with relentless vision across high-stakes boardrooms and bustling corridors. Rivals retreat in disbelief, while industry skeptics murmur about his mysterious success. His journey blazes through Wall Street's concrete jungle, leaving leaders bewildered and competitors trembling. Every exchanged glance confirms one undeniable truth: conventional strategies crumble before bold innovation. As tech CEOs lie awake, troubled by what his next move might be, Mr. Mufareh unfolds secret strategies, a fusion of audacity and calculated brilliance that defies predictability. His opponents, like frightened dogs with tails between their legs, scatter in the wake of his unstoppable momentum in a market where doubt weakens resolve and uncertainty casts long shadows. His every decision inspires unwavering confidence among founders and affiliates. Boldness trumps incrementalism every day reverberates as his mantra, fueling a revolution built on resilience rather than hollow promises. With each decisive step, he reshapes industry narratives, proving that transformative success is earned through vision. It's not fleeting initial public offering chatter or paper dreams, as darkness yields to the dawning light of clarity. Mr. Mufareh's secret triumph unveils a path of uncompromised courage and unwavering faith. The mystery of his strategy remains elusive, yet its impact is profoundly real, inviting us all to rise above doubt. Trust the visionary who stands against the tide. Embrace boldness. Embrace innovation. In every challenge and every setback, his courage ignites a spark that transforms industry fear into a beacon of endless possibility and resilient triumph. The compassion unleashing a digital revolution. An old wall crumbles before our eyes, symbolizing oppressive barriers and isolated struggles. Shadows of despair meet sparks of hope as communities awaken to a united call for justice. Digital brilliance and empathetic hearts break chains, transforming solitude into collective strength. Against corruption and fear, our passion builds a future where every click and shared word dismantles injustice. From silent protests to unified voices, our revolution thrives, powered not by profit but by the enduring power of compassion. In every glowing screen and rising spirit, witness the triumph of community over isolation. Join the movement, empower change. Brace a world reborn in unity and love today. Let each heartbeat echo, call for a brighter future where equality reclaims. Every lost dream and digital courage rebuilds our destiny.